Good morning, friends. So today we will be making elephant yam or Suran curry, and this will be a gravy dish which can be eaten with rice or chapati. So here are the ingredients. You have coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and Suran there. Next we have curd, onions and tomato which will be pureed. So let's start cooking. So first what we have to do is we have to beat the curd to a very fine consistency paste. So we are now cutting the suran into cubes, small cubes as you can see here. And this knife is a little bit difficult to use. So I will use this knife, which is carbon stainless steel. And it should cut like a butter, I guess. Yep, it's quite easy than the first knife. So we will quickly cut this into small cubes, and then we have to deep fry them until they are golden brown in color. So friends, we have cut the yam into small cubes with the help of this big knife, and you can see. Now we will cut the onions into small pieces and then deep fry the yam. So friends, here all the ingredients are cut and ready. We have tomato puree, curd which reduced a little, the reason I can tell you later, onions, yam, and garam masala along with ginger garlic paste and coriander. So let us start the cooking now. So now we will start frying. We have reduced the quantity and we will be frying the yam until it is golden brown in color. So you can just keep it on high flame. And it usually takes anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. So you have to keep on moving the shallot. Once it's golden brown, then we'll look at it. So friends, our frying is almost 50% done. So I have reduced the flame and I will adjust it further so that it's not fully high but in the mid of something. And you may also hear some noise that is from the Faber exhaust chimney, but we will also get some extra lighting. Let us see how the extra lighting is, whether should we keep the extra lighting on or off. I think we have adequate lighting, so I'll just turn the lighting off. So now we can get the smell of the yam, which is like almost cooked. We have to keep on stirring it now so that it doesn't get overcooked. So almost all the yam have turned into golden brown. So before it gets over fried or over burnt, we have to just stop it. So friends, here is the yam which is now fried very nicely, and we will soon start with the cooking part. We will start with the onions. So these are the onions and we have to deep fry them. While frying onions, we have to be very careful because even in matter of 10 seconds it can go from golden brown to totally burnt, overburnt or over fried onions. We have to constantly keep stirring. Friends, there is a sad news. Even though I charged my camera battery to full, still while shooting this video the battery got dead. So the rest of the video I'll have to shoot with my mobile phone. So we have to keep on cooking the shallots and the mixture until it's cooked nice and there is clear oil separation. And after this cooking is done, we will add the elephant yam or suran. It's time to add the elephant yam or suran, and as I don't have a stand, so my hand may not be that stable because I have to concentrate on the cooking and preparing the video also. So we have to mix this very nicely and let it cook for some time. So now we have added little bit more chili powder and rock salt and added water. Now we will mix all these nicely. And let it cook on slow flame for around 15 to 20 minutes. And since we have already made small holes in the elephant yam pieces, it should absorb the spices and taste soon. The final result will be like a thick gravy, but depending on your taste you can make it totally dry or you can also make it more gravy. The last two ingredients remaining are garam masala and coriander leaves, which we will put at the very last stage of cooking. So let it cook slowly for around 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll come back. And everything is cooked properly. So to finish it off, we will put a little bit of water and the last two ingredients of garam masala and coriander leaves we will put and then finish it off. So our dish is ready and we can switch off the gas and start to eat. Goodbye friends, hope you like this recipe, and this is my first video.